Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Metal to Discord. First, ensure both the Metal TV application and Discord are installed on your computer. Open Metal TV and log into your account. Make sure your Discord application is also running in the background and you are logged in there too. This initial setup ensures a smooth connection process between the two platforms, allowing for easy clip sharing. Next, within the Metal TV application, look for the gear icon, which typically represents settings. Click on it to open the settings menu. Once inside, you'll need to find the section dedicated to integrations or connections. This area is where Metal manages its links with other services, including Discord. It's usually clearly labeled, making it simple to find the option you need.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more great content. On another note, for all you avid readers out there, I highly recommend the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere, anytime. You can find a link to it and other fantastic deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now, within the integrations section, you should see an option for Discord. Click on it. Metal will then prompt you to authorize the connection with your Discord account. This usually involves a pop-up window where you confirm the link. Granting the requested permissions is crucial for Metal to share clips directly to your Discord servers or private messages. This step securely links your accounts. Once your accounts are linked, sharing is simple. After you record a game clip, it will automatically save to your Metal TV library. To share, select the desired clip from your library. You will then see a share button or icon. Click it and choose the Share to Discord option. You can then select which Discord server or direct message you want to send your awesome clip to, making sharing effortless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.